Despite its name, our low-height cake boxes aren't solely just for cakes and are incredibly versatile. Hey, I'm Mel from Boxed. From grazing boxes and donut hampers to showcasing designer cookies and even handmade craft items, our customers have found endless uses for our low-height boxes. They also love the clean white finish as it allows them to customize their boxes with stickers and other items to suit their business better. Remember, as this is a low-height cake box, it's the ideal size for one small cake, less than 8 inches in diameter and no taller than 4 inches. So remember to check all dimensions before purchasing to ensure there are no surprises come delivery day. Now, speaking of delivery, here at Boxed, all orders are shipped express and there's no need for an account or ABN. We've made sure our packaging is readily available to everyone. Our boxes also come delivered flat pack, so assembly is required. However, putting them together is nice and easy, and I'll touch more on that later on in this video. Each box is made from 100% food grade recycled paper and high quality paperboard, which even when full ensures outstanding stability and support. The glossy white on the outer side isn't only aesthetically pleasing, but it's also easy to wipe clean, making it the perfect material to use in the kitchen. Because as we know, getting greasy fingers when dealing with food is unavoidable. Now, like I said earlier, assembly is easy, and I'm going to start by showing you how it's done just here. So we've got the flat pack box on the table here. We're going to go around to each side and we're just going to bend where the lines are, so nice and easy to follow. And take it around to here and we'll just fold them in. That's going to make it a little easier when you start putting them together. And just another one over here. We'll just lift up, and as you'll see on the side here, there's a small slit and we're going to pop that. There, you'll just hear it click into there. And again on this side, pop it straight in. We'll make our way around the box, fold these ones in, and make sure we've got the lid ready as well. We lift up, and again we're just going to pop it into that little slit on the side there, and it'll click into place. Again on this side, you'll hear it just pop into place there. And then we're going to do the same up here for the lid. Bend it down, pop it into the little slit on the side there, and again on this side, and then your box is ready to go. The best part is that there's no need for glue or staples. And here's another great tip: place a small piece of non-slip material at the base of the box before placing your cake inside. By doing this, you can prevent the cake from sliding within the box during transit. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks so much for watching.